Welcome to this detailed review of Workout Trainer, an online platform and app designed to cater to all fitness levels with its dynamic and personalized workout programs. Workout Trainer is aimed at providing users with a structured approach to achieving their fitness goals. Whether you're looking for weight loss, muscle gain, or simply improving overall health and wellness, the platform offers a blend of customizable workouts, guided exercises, and coaching tools tailored to each user's fitness level. Upon entering the website or app, you'll immediately notice its user-friendly layout and easy navigation. The homepage features options to explore various workout plans, including high-intensity interval training, HIIT, yoga, strength training, and cardio. The search filters allow users to tailor workout suggestions based on preferences, goals, and available equipment, making it convenient for both home and gym workouts. Once signed up, users are prompted to input their fitness goals, current activity level, and any physical limitations. This data is then used to create personalized workout recommendations. One of the standout features of Workout Trainer is its library of exercises, which includes video demonstrations and step-by-step instructions from certified trainers. These visuals are particularly helpful for beginners who need clear guidance on proper form and technique. Another key aspect is the app's progress tracking tools. Workout Trainer lets you monitor your performance, track calories burned, and measure improvements over time. These features provide motivation and accountability, which are crucial for maintaining long-term fitness routines. For users looking for more guidance, the app also includes a subscription option for premium coaching services. This unlocks advanced tools such as custom training plans from real coaches, detailed progress analytics, and additional resources to help refine fitness strategies. While the platform is comprehensive, there are areas where it could improve. Some users have reported occasional glitches with video playback or syncing progress across devices. Additionally, the free version, while functional, has limited access to premium content, which might not be sufficient for those seeking a fully personalized experience. However, the pricing for premium access is reasonable compared to similar platforms. Overall, Workout Trainer provides a robust set of tools and resources for anyone looking to take control of their fitness journey. Its blend of guided workouts, tracking capabilities, and coaching options make it a versatile solution for various fitness needs. If you're considering using Workout Trainer, this review is aimed to provide you with a clear understanding of its features and potential drawbacks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button for more honest reviews of fitness platforms and apps.